Should I ask if there were any major renovations or additions to the home before I buy it?
By all means, you can ask anything from the seller, and any answers they give you is part of the disclosures. Whether they renovated, if they had any issues that they had to redo certain portions of the house or certain components, of course, by all means. There are forms. Again, these are forms that are mandatory by civil code. And the forms are about 9 pages altogether. And they're very specific. It asks whether there were renovations, whether they were done with permits. Once you have the inspection, you can submit a list of all your questions for the seller to answer. And this would be part of the disclosures.
For over 20 years, Tammy Jerome's successful career has been based on building relationships with clients. That's why she's the top-tier realtor in this area.
Hi, I'm Tammy Jerome. Welcome to my home. You know I've helped over 1,000 clients sell and buy their homes. I would love to help you too.
Tammy Jerome has been an award-winning realtor year after year. When selling your home or buying your new home, call Tammy Jerome. You owe it to yourself to choose the very best.